are Solar Mamas of Nepal. These three incredible women from Nepal have just solar electrified 220 remote rural households to benefit over 2,000 villagers in their communities, who save about $104 per home by switching to solar electricity. Over 250 kerosene lanterns have been replaced with chargeable renewable solar lanterns. And about 250 metric tons of CO2 have been avoided. With support from Barefoot College International and Women Light the World, these illiterate and semi-literate women travel to Rajasthan, India to train to become solar engineers and entrepreneurs. For 6 months, they learned how to assemble, install, and repair solar systems. They received knowledge about women's rights, digital literacy, budgeting, health and hygiene, circuitry, and advocacy. These women became confident, motivated agents of change. When they returned home, they became ambassadors for women in their communities. Now, they can assemble, install, and repair solar lighting systems by themselves. Our goal today is to train 20 more rural women to install 1,000 more solar home lighting systems. Join us in supporting women to become solar engineers and help us to grow the amazing success of this project in Nepal. Thank you.